lifestyle doctor, and also I'm a low-carb advocate and very active doing fasting and an active lifestyle. Yes, siguro nag-start ang aking gout college days pa. So I was then obese, overweight. Nung nangyayari sa akin, uma-absent ako dahil sa gout. Itong gout arthritis na to. Kaya very debilitating siya. Kaya sino man may gout dyan, sure na sure ako, nag-a-absent. Hindi makakapasok. Toe, ankle, knees, elbow, any joints, pwede magkaroon ng gout flares. Yes, it's a autoimmune, or it's also a chronic, and it's a lifestyle disease. So, ang tagal, decades, 10 years ko nang inaano yun, from college. Doon lang nag-lifestyle modification ako, doon lang nawala sa akin. Sabi ko, eto lang pala. Ito lang ang makakapagpawala itong gouty arthritis. Ever since, hindi na ako nakakaranas ng gout.